fast. Okay, compound interest, it is really important that you know the rule that the amount in the account is the principal times 1 plus r to the power of n. You must have that memorized. I will not give it to you. If you don't know that, you're going to fail the financial math section. Okay? So A is the amount in the account, P is the principal, R is the interest rate, N is the number of periods.
So is A the investment?
So A is the final value.
Oh, P is the investment.
Yeah. P is the principal, which is the initial value. R is the rate as a percent. Actually, put it as a decimal. Shh, quiet. R is the rate as a decimal. And N is the number of periods. Okay, let's look at a couple examples. First of all, let's say that we are investing $5,000. We're going to invest it for 4 years. We're going to invest it for 4 years and our interest rate is 6%. If it is compounded yearly, that's the easy question. So if it says compounded yearly, all we do to find the final value is to put it straight into our rule. 5,000, 1 plus 0.06. Note that 6% is 0.06 as a decimal, and then for 4 years. So that's super easy, we just shove it in. Grab a calculator and there's our answer. Unless the question asks for interest only, how do I do that? I take away the initial investment. So if I ask for interest, it is just whatever the final amount is minus the initial amount. So we don't have time to actually go through the question and get the answer. If it asks for the interest. Now, if the question said, for example, instead of compounding yearly, it's going to compound every month, then I need to change my R and N to reflect that. Give me 30 seconds, I'll be out. So, if I said compounding monthly, then I still start with the same rule. I still have the 5,000, 1 plus. But this time, instead of saying 0.06, which is a whole year's worth of interest, I'm going to have 0.06 divided by 12 because it happens 12 times in the year. And instead of saying that it happened 4 times, it happened every month for 4 years. So that's 48 times. So the key to getting compound interest questions is understanding that your interest rate must be divided to the correct time interval. So if it says monthly, I'm going to divide by 12. If it says 6 monthly, I'm going to divide by 2. If it says quarterly, I'm going to divide by 4. It's really important that you have that understanding and that you change the N as well. The only other thing you've got to watch for is if it wants A or if it wants I. Okay, that's my quick explanation.